Hi, this is my review on Matt Smith's or the 11th Doctor's Sonic Screwdriver. Uh, from what I've heard tell, it's a bit bulky. I personally find it to be perfect in terms of gripping, because for me, it takes up the entire hand. And personally, I prefer this one to David Tennant's. No offense to the fans out there. I'm a bigger fan of him than Matt, a little. But, I mean, come on. It has a claw, for crying out loud, and an oddly shaped emitter. Now, it, yeah, forgot about that. For, sorry, for the batteries, which it does come with, um, you put them in this area here. Just two little screws, and there you go. Let's see. Come on. Come on. There we go. Uh, it's the kind where you twist it, see, and it's indicated on both sides. One's a little bit smaller than the other. That way you can't mess it up. Or if you want, you can try it just to mess yourself up. And it comes with two regular sounds. There's and and that's another feature I like. Instead of it having a sound, or sorry, a speaker down around here, around the base, I guess, which would have made it easier. They have it up around here. Not actually from the emitter, but if I'm right, it might be right about here. Let's see. Uh, but anyway, and let's see. To activate the sound, you press the smaller of the two buttons. Not to mention the light. And also, this has two hidden sounds to it. It has, press it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The one where he uses it for some sort of defensive laser. I don't know. And 4 times. The sound of the broken, sonic screwdriver. Or, I suppose, if it's searching for something. And now, even though this is supposed to be just a toy, or to some collector's item, now I've actually not had to, but I've actually used this kind of for fun as a little bit of a flashlight, because it can be kind of bright. Observe. Pretty. Now to extend it, press the larger of the two buttons. And they say to push it back down, to press from the tip here. While that will work, due to my bit of paranoia, I actually gently hold the sides and pull down. Let's see, what else? Oh, uh, now when this is extended, you will not be able to press this and have the sound go off. You will require the hidden button underneath, kind of like a missile launch. But uh, this, over time for me, has gotten a bit flimsy. But I find that if you actually press just a little bit forward or backward, it will kind of tighten it up a little bit more. And while it is a little bit difficult to activate while it's closed, I find that it's a lot easier when it's open. And hopefully it'll be like this with you, but on the inside of here when it's extended, let's see. I'd like to see if you can see it. There we go. No, you can just see that. There. You can see a little cord there, and I like to imagine that's, well, not imagine, but I kind of like the thought that that's kind of like from the control panel on the TARDIS. But that's just the nerdy me. And, oh, the button that this originally works to is right here when it extends. So if you want, you can just, yeah. And as for my review, I say you should really go and get this. I got it off of a website called thinkgeek.com, one word. A whole crud load of stuff. Um, this was $25, and let's see if I'm right. David Tennant's and River Song. Sorry, I don't remember the actress's name, but River Song's screwdriver are also on there. If I'm correct, they are both cheaper. Um, and that's it. So I hope I piqued your interest in this, and hopefully you will get one of your own for all of those Whovian fans, or sorry, just Whovians, or Doctor Who fans of any extent. Hey, extent. Sorry. Uh, but yeah, really nifty little gadget, and frankly, I'm surprised by how many times I've used this that the batteries have not died yet. So I'd suggest getting it. Again, that's www.thinkgeek.com. No space, no hyphen, no underscore, just THINK whoa, sorry, THINKGEEK.com. And that'll wrap this up. Thank you. Bye. Where the heck's the button?